Here is the Bold Unique Boldplex Bond Restore Trio that we got sent from Bold Unique to show you the features and tell you a little bit about this product. First, I want to say that I love Bold Unique. I actually use their purple shampoo and hair mask to tone my hair, and it works fantastic. So I asked them if I could try this Bond Restore Trio because, like I said, I do get blonde highlights and bleach in my hair, so it is getting a little more damage than I would like. And I use this for the first time, and all I can say is whoa. It leaves my hair so soft and frizz-free. This is me. This is my hair washed from last night. So what I did is I used the trio and I just blow dried it. I didn't straighten it or do anything else to it, and look how smooth it is. Typically it's a frizzy mess, and just from all the breakage and the split ends, and it's like you can see like the pieces of hair that had broken off, they kind of stick out up here. So anyways, I so far after one treatment love the way that this makes my hair look and feel. Let me tell you a little bit more about Bold Unique. They advertise that they remove bottles from the ocean to make their bottles. So that's a huge plus for me to help with pollution and ocean pollution. Their products are cruelty-free, not tested on animals, paraben and sulfate-free. They are vegan-friendly. The package is 100% fully recyclable, mineral oil-free, phthalate-free, and formaldehyde-free. So let me show you the bottles and what they look like. This is the shampoo, so it's a good-sized bottle. Then you have the conditioner, and then you also have the Bond Restore treatment. And this Bond Restore treatment, if you do have, this is what it looks like. If you do have color treated hair that's pretty damaged like mine, because bleach damaged your hair really, really badly, you want to leave this in overnight if you can. I left mine in for 30 minutes and then rinsed it out, and I got great results, but I may try to actually leave it in overnight one day. The shampoo and conditioner, you want to do this after your mask or your bond treatment. After this treatment, you want to do the shampoo and conditioner. You do want to rinse your hair, or you do want to shampoo your hair before using this bond treatment, because you want your hair and your follicles to be open, clean and open. And then you're going to quickly towel dry your hair, put this on, let it sit for however long you want, and then after you rinse this off, do the shampoo and conditioner. But I love Bold Unique. I love their purple shampoo and hair masks to tone my hair, and so far I am loving this bonding treatment and would highly recommend.